Hi everyone, Nick with Acme Tools. Today we're going to be taking a look at the brand new Makita 18V LXT Lithium-Ion Grease Gun. It's going to be part number XPG01Z for the Bear tool. The comfort and ease of use are a driving factor with this new tool. The XPG01Z features a stand-up design allowing you to set the tool down on flat surfaces and a shoulder strap for when you need to carry it out into the field. Also featuring a lock-on button for user convenience during longer work periods, as well as a 47¼ inch flexible hose, making it much easier to gain access for difficult to reach fittings. This tool offers two different speed settings. There's a low and an auto speed mode, which applies grease while varying the flow rate automatically, matching the resistance of the part being greased. The unit also includes a variable speed trigger, which allows the user to adjust the discharge rate. The entire thing weighs in at only 11.3 pounds with a 2 amp-hour battery. Lastly, an integrated air bleed valve to assist in faster pump priming. Want to give a big thank you to Acme Equipment for helping us demo this tool today. Make sure to stop online to find more information or to shop this tool on acmetools.com. And remember to always do your best work.